Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's start this video with a little dance. Bitcoin finally broke the $100,000 level. This is an incredible achievement, so a high five for all of us who kept believing in crypto. This is also great news for altcoins and meme coins, because in a bull market, people take profits by selling some of their Bitcoin and then invest the money in smaller coins to make even more money, which will start altcoin season. I have been in bull markets before, and trust me, we will see some amazing things happen for crypto in 2025, and we are still early. If we look back to today, within 10 years, we will say, wow, Bitcoin was so cheap at 100,000. Anyway, enough about that. In this video, I will show you how to use TradeWiz, a super fast trading bot for Telegram that will help you become a better trader. If you don't have TradeWiz installed already, I have a safe download link in the description below. Please use this link only to avoid scam bots with the same name that can drain your wallet. The layout of TradeWiz is similar to other bots, but TradeWiz comes with some unique features like the smart wallet option to find profitable wallets fast, and there's also an advanced copy trading tool, which I will explain later. Go to your wallet to check your balance and import or export your wallet, including the private keys. Send Solana to this address from your Phantom wallet or your exchange. Solana is fast and cheap, and the funds will arrive in seconds. In the settings, you can adjust the slippage and gas fee. The higher the gas fee, the faster the transaction will go through. You can also change the buy and sell buttons. Enter the amount of SOL to trade, like 0.2, 0.5, 1, 2 or 5 SOL, depending on your budget. If you wish to use the auto buy button, enter the amount of Solana that you want to pay for a token, and if you want another language, click here. Buying and selling tokens is straightforward. Paste the token contract address in the field, hit one of the quick buy buttons, and the bot takes care of the rest. Selling works the same way. If anti-MEF is enabled, the tip fee needs to be greater than 0.002 SOL. If anti-MEF is turned off, you don't need a tip fee, but if you leave it, the fee will be charged to speed up the transaction. In auto sell, you set a stop loss and take profit orders when the price hits a specific number. You can sell a portion of your tokens when you make a 2x or 5x, and use a stop loss if the price goes down like 20 or 30% without being on your computer. Or you can use auto sell to set profit targets. For example, if a token doubles in value and you have instructed TradeWiz to sell half of your tokens, when that happens, the bot will do it for you. Click on the numbers here to change the expiry date. The copy trading feature is the real highlight of TradeWiz. If you don't always have time to trade on your computer or laptop, this feature lets you mimic successful traders' moves. TradeWiz is 3 times faster than popular alternatives like Bonk or Trojan. Those few seconds make all the difference when buying or selling quickly. There are many settings to fine-tune your trading strategy. Let's pick the copy trading function first. Click on Add a copy trading wallet and give it a name tag. Paste the target wallet address you want to copy. Set limits and buy percentage to control how much of your funds to allocate compared to the wallet you're copying. Set the maximum or minimum amount to trade. In the total investment limit, put in how much SOL the copied wallet can use from your funds. Adjust the advanced settings and choose whether to copy the sales or just the buys. Add rules for slippage, retry limits and market cap ranges. The price at which the other party buys and the price at which you buy will not be the same. Don't forget that if you copy trade a wallet, the more tokens the other party buys, the smaller the token's liquidity pool and the higher the price will rise and your cost for the token will be higher. You will not buy at the same price of the copied wallet, so don't forget to calculate this price fluctuation and your profits if you plan on selling. Another cool feature in TradeWiz is the smart wallet locator. Enter a token address to find wallets that made the most profits with it. View stats like the number of trades, profits and success rates of the wallet. Use the Solana wallet analyzer for deeper insights. TradeWiz is fast, and unlike other bots with complicated features, this bot keeps things minimal but efficient. Whether I'm trading on the go or copying profitable wallets, TradeWiz gets the job done. If you prefer to trade on a web interface instead of a bot, don't worry. TradeWiz is rolling out its web interface in a few weeks, making trading even more convenient. Join my Telegram if you want to get updated about the latest Memecoin tools. Now, before I leave, I want to warn you to not take advice from other people when it comes to trading meme coins. I often get asked which meme coins are going to pump, but my simple answer is, I have absolutely no idea. In fact, nobody knows which coin is going to do a 10x or 100x, unless they are insiders who are involved in the project and got their tokens for free to dump on you. I see it happen all the time, so my advice is to never listen to other people, especially not on Telegram or YouTube or Twitter. Murat is an example of a famous influencer who has the power to promote and send meme coins through the roof. All his recommended coins have made it to the top, so he may be an exception to the rule. I also don't like call groups or alpha groups. The group leaders buy their tokens at a low entry price or they get them for free, and as soon as their followers start buying the token, they dump their bags and take your money. If someone tells you to buy a $10 million token and promises you a 5x, then that's complete BS. $1 million market coins need a gigantic inflow of money to make a 2x, let alone a 5x. It's just not possible. Do your own research instead. Finding a good coin is not rocket science, and if you have watched my videos, you know how it works. Go to Dex Screener and pick a coin with a decent trading volume, a minimum market cap of 1 million, and with the liquidity burned. Make sure the dev has sold his tokens and check how many tokens are still in control of the top 10 holders. In Bullix, you can click on the dev sold button to see all the dev's transactions. If the dev gets out, the community can take over the token, which makes it less likely for the token to dump. Keep an eye on the price action to see if the token bounces from previous support levels or if it gets rejected. Good traders also look at the market cap. Nobody sets a limit order at a 123,000 market cap. They use numbers like 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 or 1, 2, 5 or 10 million. These are psychological numbers, and trading is psychology. Watch any random chart and you will notice the same patterns. People sell and buy when the market cap reaches even numbers. Look if enough people are buying in or if insiders are dumping their bags when the price reaches a critical market cap. If it's an older token, I use the 20-day EMA or I draw a Fibonacci retracement to quickly find support and resistance levels to enter the trade. In trading, you want to be prepared. Meme coins are like a casino. Most coins are created by scammers who will dump on you if they get a chance. You can't just buy a token on pump.fun and expect to get rich in 15 or 30 minutes. It doesn't work like that. I'm sorry if I sound a little negative, but I have been in the trenches before and I have lost a lot of money on the battlefield. I just want you to be safe and make sure you don't become a victim of all the scammers out there. Okay, that's it for now. If you found this video helpful or interesting, consider giving it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get my latest videos first. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments below or chat with me in my Telegram group. Thanks for tuning in again, trade safe and see you next time. Bye bye.